medyo tricky itong technique na to. Pero, eventually, makukuha nyo pa rin. So, hahatiin natin sa tatlong parts or tatlong step ang inward tongue roll. First step is you position your tongue. This is your tongue, right? This is the tip of your tongue. This is where you taste your food. So position your tongue like this. So parang i-bend nyo siya. You bend your tongue like that. Then stick it on the roof of your mouth, dito sa may ngalangalan nyo banda. And then you apply pressure na sobrang tigas, as in nakaangat talaga siya dyan. Yung muscle nyo dito is may pressure talaga. Okay, so that's the first step. Second step, you inhale through your mouth. But this time, yung inhale na yon, yung hangin na mahihigop nyo should pass at the center of your tongue. Dito. Habang nakadikit siya sa may ngalangalan nyo. Habang may pressure na naka-apply doon sa dila nyo. So, it will sound like di ba may pressure na? Kapag nasanay na kayo or while you're doing it, di ba nakabuka yung big? Try to do it while the position of your mouth is this. Gets? Try to do that. Then, after you practiced it, I don't know, for a day or 2 or 3 days, try to release the pressure bit by bit. At parang niluluwagan nyo na yung, or unti-unti nyo nang pinapantay yung dila nyo ulit. So, it will sound like, bagay na to. Ito Again. Hanggang sa hindi na mag-touch yung dila nyo sa ngalangalan nyo na nakaganyan na lang siya. Kasi magbabibrate na yan. So again, it's so ganun siya. If this is your first time doing that, doing the inward tongue roll, I want you to practice that one first. Or get used to the breathing and sucking of air. Para masanay rin yung baga nyo, you know. Guys, keep on practicing that technique. I hope this tutorial is very helpful to you. Or sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na to. I know this technique will not be easy. As a normal guy, dati, parang para sa akin, imposible itong inward tongue roll. Kasi how can you pronounce something na vibration na paloob? So it was impossible. But, well, as I go along with the beatboxing, I just put my dedication into it. Like, by the way, trivia. Yung Sega sound na yan, or yung inward tongue roll, nagkulong ako sa bahay ng 2 linggo. After school, diretso bahay, kulong, bago pumasok, para lang makuha yung Sega sound or yung inward tongue roll na yan. So, if you're a bit discouraged about that technique, don't be. Just keep on doing it, keep on practicing it, because eventually in the long run, makukuha niyo yan. Dedication lang talaga, then tamang positioning ng dila sa loob ng bibig nyo. Alright, so yep, thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, and yep, you might want to like this video as well, and you might want to share it with your friends if you want them to learn, lalo na sa mga Filipino beatboxers. So see you on my next tutorial. Peace, bro.